Hello and welcome back to AI Automation Agency. We bring you the latest AI tools and automation software so you can boost your impact and your income. So today I want to talk to you about Go High Level's new and improved affiliate management system. So Go High Level has been putting a lot of time and energy and money into this part of the platform recently, and it shows. So recently I was trying to set up a two-tier affiliate commission structure where the first tier gets 30% commissions, and then for all their sub affiliate sales, they make an additional 10%. And I was looking at different software, and I was pleasantly surprised to see that Spiritual Systems, which is our white labeled Go High Level platform, actually has this functionality built in. So today I will talk you through how to set up a multi-tier affiliate structure within Go High Level, some of the gotcha. So this is a new part of the platform or an under development part of the platform. So there are some kinks. So I'll point those out to you so you don't get tripped up as you're setting up your own structure, and just point out some of the features and the functionality so that you can get started right away. So here we are inside of Spiritual Systems. It's our white labeled Go High Level platform, but no matter what version of Go High Level or whatever affiliate you've signed up under, you should see something similar to this. Our version and other versions just have specific automations, funnels, pre-built features, and functionality that we give to our customers. So there's a link in the description if you are interested in signing up through Spiritual Systems directly. But let's talk now about the affiliate management system. So here we are in marketing. You will see a tab called Affiliate Manager, which has a lot of tabs: dashboard, campaign, affiliate, payout, media, settings, and let's go through and talk about what each of these. So here you have your dashboard. This is your overview of all your campaigns right now, the revenue generated, the conversions, who your top affiliates are, if any customers have canceled. You also track how much you owe out to your affiliate, how much commission you need to pay, whether or not that commission is approved, if it's pending, if it's been denied. So these you can see have been approved, nothing is pending, nothing has been denied. All right, and you can see here the different campaigns. Here I've set up two sample campaigns, one called Vision Quest Affiliate and one called Vision Quest. So let's go into the campaign section of this. So in campaigns, you'll see the campaigns that you have created. You can also add a new one by clicking this button over here. So let's go into Vision Quest Sales because this is the multi-tier campaign that I had set up. Okay, so when you create a new campaign, you'll want to select the source. This can be a funnel. So for example, our affiliate is set up to this page where people can actually come through and buy any of the different plans for this product. So you can have it set up to a specific funnel that has a checkout page and has your products linked. Here below, you can actually see the different products that are linked in that funnel. So it has some yearly pricing plans and some monthly pricing plans. You want to select the page within that funnel that it links to. So does it link to the home page? Maybe you have a specific pricing section or a checkout flow that you want to link to. And then this little part at the end is just the unique identifier for your specific affiliate. So everybody's affiliate URL will look a little bit like this. You can also set up affiliate campaigns in Go High Level using not just funnels, but also websites. Maybe you have a specific form where someone signs up through, it has a checkout payment process through or something, a survey, or even a calendar. Maybe you want to give out commissions based on bookings on a specific calendar of yours. So these are all things that you can do, selecting the different sources here. As I mentioned already, the products are listed here that are linked to that funnel or website or form. Then let's go to next. Now you can select the default commission for all the products. I want it to be 30%, but if you wanted to, you could also customize your commission per product. This can be super helpful if you have some products that are much higher in price and you want to offer a lower commission percentage on that. If you want, instead of offering a percentage, you can also offer a flat fee, a flat commission rate. So that is doable as well. Now, under advanced, this is where you'll set up your multi-tier affiliate commission structure. So you can select up to 7 tiers right now. And for each tier, again, you can offer a specific percentage or flat commission. And again, you can customize that by your. So what I have set up is just 2 tiers where the first tier is 30% and the sub-affiliate tier is 10%. All right, so then next, you can give your campaign a description that's helpful for your affiliates to know what they're selling, what it's about, and then assign your affiliates to this current campaign. If you're going through this for the first time, you'll see this button is grayed out, which just means you haven't created any affiliates in your system yet, and that's okay. You can finish this campaign setup, go back in, add your affiliates, and then you'll see them here to be added. And if you go down into additional settings, this is where you can set up your welcome email, which is what people will get when they first sign up for your affiliate partnership program. And actually, if you go into your email marketing template, you should be able to add a new template from the template that is a default affiliate program welcome email. And this you can add in, and that's what I have linked here. So you'll want to add in this affiliate partnership program. You can customize it as you like. A couple important notes: if you do add in your own custom client portal, which we'll go through in a minute, and that is where your affiliate can sign in and see all of their commissions, see their leads, see their customers. It's their dashboard. So if you have a custom client portal domain set up like I do, you're going to want to link that directly instead of using what it has in the default, which is affiliate client portal URL. That's just one little gotcha. So that's this email. Once you have this set up, you can select the cookie life, which is how long once somebody visits that funnel page, how long that cookie will last and be tracked for that affiliate. You can select your current payout terms if you want to pay the 15th of the month for the previous month's earnings, the 30th of the month, or pay 60 days later from the last month. And then you can also do this if you have a multi-tier affiliate commission like I do. You can set up a sub-affiliate sign-up page. So this is where your affiliate will sign on their sub-affiliates. So this is a form, and this form needs to have a couple different fields. It needs to have the first name, the last name, and the email. I'll show you what my form looks like. It's also helpful to include a terms and conditions of your affiliate program so that you have them agreed. It's a contract, right? You're paying people out. And I'll show you what that looks like pretty soon. All right. And you can also enroll new customers that sign on as sub-affiliates as well. So every time somebody signs on through an affiliate, that customer becomes an affiliate and will be welcomed into this. All right, so that is it. Now we can finish and keep this published. Okay, cool. So now I want to show you the affiliate page. So here is where you can see all your affiliates, and you can also add new affiliates. So you could put a new affiliate, type in their name. You can assign them to a campaign. And then you can also add in some more details specific to them, like their W-9 and W-8. Okay, cool. And here you can see each affiliate, how many customers they have, how many leads they have, how much they're owed, and how much they've been paid. Now in payout, this is where you manage your payouts. So you can see here, there were 2 that were pending. I have approved them, so they moved over to the approved for payout tab. It tells you when it's due, which is based on the payout terms you set up for your campaign. And you can automatically pay your affiliate by linking your PayPal business account. And of course, your affiliate needs to have their PayPal account as well. Okay, once you pay, they moved over into paid. And for whatever reason, if you need to deny, you can move that here too. In media, this is a place where you can add in different branding media, different marketing promo assets that you want to share with your affiliates, and they'll be able to access this in their portal, which I'll show you in a minute. And then finally, you have settings, which is the default for across all campaigns. You can set that up. And then if you don't set it up per campaign, it will just default to this. All right, so that is everything from a management perspective. If you were the one managing and setting up your affiliate program, this is what you do. Now let's take a look and see what it looks like from the client perspective. Okay, so let's dive into what the affiliate onboarding process looks like. When you add an affiliate to a specific campaign, they will be sent that welcome email that we set up in the platform. So you can see here, we added this affiliate to the Vision Quest affiliates campaign. So it has the name of the campaign. And then within the email, it's exactly what you had set up there, which includes the unique referral link for your affiliate that they can use to send out to their audience and their network. It also includes the commission percentage, and it has that link to the affiliate portal where they can manage their leads, their customers, see how much they're owed and how much they've been paid. So let's take a look and open this. This is the Go HighLevel client portal. So this is the welcome screen for that portal, and it also includes other things, right? This portal includes communities, which are the groups. It also includes courses. So maybe you want to later on include some marketing courses, affiliate marketing tips. You can include all of that in here, or maybe just a group for your affiliates where you communicate with them. You can get that set up in here. But for now, let's just go into tracking our affiliate earnings. So let's click on this. All right, so this opens up our affiliate dashboard. So we can see here all the different campaigns we've been added to. So this specific affiliate has been added to 2, Vision Quest affiliate and Vision Quest sales. In both, they have 1 lead. And just another gotcha with this platform is I've seen that if you have a free trial, when somebody completes the order form, it marks them as a lead, even though they will be charged in 7 days. But when they are charged, when they end their free trial, they will convert into a customer appropriately and actually have the commissions and all that. And that works good. So just something to be aware of. Another one is if you have someone who completes the order form, but the payment doesn't go through, then the order goes into a pending state, but the person is added as a lead. So if you do have a product like I do, where you have a 7-day free trial, you might see leads for both situations. And then after 7 days, you should just check back when that lead was made, which you can see here in leads, when this lead was created. And if they don't convert in the expected amount of time, right, after the 7 days when the free trial ends, just you want to check back and follow up with that lead to get them converted into a customer to see what's going on. All right, so that was a little bit of an aside. So let's come back here to dashboard. So again, we see here the 2 campaigns that this affiliate is part of. In sub-affiliates, we will see any sub-affiliates who are linked to this person. So this affiliate doesn't have any sub-affiliates, but if they did, you would be able to see them here, as well as the customers and leads for that sub-affiliate. All right, now here you can see this specific affiliate's leads, as well as their customers, how much they've been paid, how much they're owed, and the total revenue they brought in for the business. In commissions, again, they will see their commissions based per the customer and when they were paid out. And then in media, this is where they'll see all those brand assets that you set up for them, so that they can download it and use it in their promo materials. All right, so I also want to show you an affiliate that has sub-affiliates and what that looks like. So again, this is a dashboard that shows all the different campaigns that an affiliate is a part of. I didn't mention this earlier. It also has the place to copy the affiliate referral link, and you can also customize your referral ID here. But note that when you do change the referral ID, any previous IDs that you had will no longer track for you. So if you want to change this, this is something that I'd recommend you encourage your affiliates to do when they're setting up their portal. And you have it for both your campaigns. So let's go in and look at Vision Quest sales, because this is where this affiliate has sub-affiliates, right? No leads, no customers, but they've made commission. So if we go in here to sub-affiliates, you can see that there's one sub-affiliate, this test sub-affiliate, who is active and has signed on a customer, and that's where this money came from. To see a little bit deeper, um, if we go into leads and customers, again, we see nothing. But in commissions, we can see where this breakdown happened. So the actual customer who led to this amount of commission was Nahala Test Accounts, um, who was a customer of our sub-affiliate. And you can see here this 10% commission that we set up, right? The 30%, 10% structure, the multi-tier structure came into play. So I want to also show you the sub-affiliate process. So let's say that you're like, wow, this works great. I want to just sign on a bunch of really great sub-affiliates. How would someone do that? So up here in sub-affiliates, you can see the sign up link to sign on a sub-affiliate for this campaign. This is the unique link. So if we go here, open this up, this is the form. And as I mentioned earlier, when you have a sub-affiliate sign-up form, you need to have name, last name, email, and I also recommend embedding a terms and service agreement in here so that you can just have them agree to this when they're signing on, and they can also download this. So this is a custom form that I've built, and if you sign on through Spiritual Systems, you will get access to this. That's what this process looks like. We walked through it from a management perspective. We looked at it from an affiliate perspective. So if you're managing the affiliate program, again, you have access in the affiliate manager to see the dashboard, break down into campaigns, see your top affiliates. You can look and see your affiliates specifically, how they're doing. Again, you can see that sale here. That was a sale the sub-affiliate made. Again, so they get 30% commission for that $120 sale, and then the parent affiliate gets 10% of that sale. So you can see that breakdown here. Another gotcha, actually, I wanted to point out is this process works well with the multi-tiers. Functionally, it's all working properly. But in the sub-affiliate dashboard, so this is actually the sub-affiliate who made that sale, it shows the right commission amount, but the commission percentage is marked incorrectly. So actually, this should be 30% and not 10%. So that is something to be aware of, and it's something that I'm actually in talks with Go High Level about. So hopefully this will be fixed by the time that you set up your affiliate portal. Yeah, so that is it. This was the walkthrough of how to set up your own affiliate management system in Go High Level. There's a bunch of automations we can add in as well, but I just wanted to give you an overview of how all of this works. It's super cool. It works really well. If you have any questions or want any more tutorial videos made, just leave a comment below and happy to help. Also, if you're interested in spiritual systems, some of the customized forms that we give, funnels, automations, if you're curious about that embedded form, you're welcome to sign on to Go High Level directly as an affiliate of ours if you're an agency, or if you're just looking to manage your own business, you can sign up for spiritual systems. And both ways, I'll give you helpful templates and helpful tools to get you started. Also, if you sign up, you get access to our private community of others like you who are interested in using AI and automation to grow their impact and scale their business. So that's all for today. Thank you guys for joining, and take care and see you next time. Bye-bye.